you been doing this to your neck, okay, when you feel tension or applying lots of anti-inflammation cream? Now, these creams or this action may help you to release tension slightly, but why don't we go to the root of the problem and try to solve the problem? So in today's practice, I'd like to share with you some very simple mindful Pilates practice will help to stabilize the shoulder blade so we can start to strengthen, but in a very gentle and mindful way so that you avoid any more tension in the neck. So if you are ready today, please grab a towel like this, especially for those people who may have a head forward posture. And if you're ready, let's begin right now. Now let's lie down comfortably. So in this position, we're going to just have a towel at the back of the head if you need some support, especially for those of you who might have a head forward posture. So you can just fold your towel like this and place it at the back of your eyes. And make sure the spine is neutral. Relax your hips, okay, and relax your knees. Just take a couple of deep breaths here. Inhale through our nose. Exhale from pursed lips. Inhale through our nose. Exhale from pursed lips. Releasing all the tension. Make sure we are not arching our back in this position. Neither are we pressing our lower back down. So just allow the pelvis to come back to a neutral position. Okay, from here we're going to reach your fingertips to the end of the mat. Slowly bring the arms up like you're holding a box that's about shoulder width apart. Okay, notice that I'm not squeezing the shoulders. Just keep your shoulders away from your ears in this position. Inhale. As we exhale, just imagine you're holding this box and you bring it slowly over your forehead. Now, for some of you may feel lots of tension here, so you want to pause here. But if you can have a bigger range of movement, you can slowly move it over your head like this, but you don't need to go too low. All right, so keeping the shoulders away from your ears. Everyone's body is different, so you may have different range of movement. And inhale, reaching up without squeezing your shoulders. Exhale, coming back down to hip level. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly over your forehead or slightly further down, but you don't need to drop the hands down. Stabilize your shoulder blades. So we're strengthening the shoulder blades here. And inhale up, exhale down. Another reminder to be aware not to strain your neck. So therefore, make sure to have your towel, all right, behind your head. One more time. Inhale up and exhale. Lengthening your spine. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's go to another variation. All right, relax the arms for a moment. Let's take 2 deep breaths here. Inhale. As we exhale, let go of all the tension. Inhale to the side and back of your rib cage. Exhale, draw the waist closer to your spine. So we continue to practice mindful breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. All right, so let's go to the next practice. Let's have our palms facing up. We're going to float the arms up to hip level, all right? So we're engaging the shoulder blades and also engaging our core muscles gently. So inhale here. As we exhale, slowly reach the arms to the side. Okay, notice that my hands are not dropping down. And slowly, so if there's tightness in your shoulders, you can bring it up higher to somewhere over your head or over the crown like this. And inhale, reaching up and all the way down, lengthening your arm without dropping the hand. Let's do one more time. So inhale here. As we exhale, slowly bring it all the way up. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale down. Let's do reverse, and we go inhale up, exhale overhead. Find that position. Inhale, facing up. Exhale, reaching to the side and all the way to hip level. One more time. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, slowly over your head. And inhale, palms facing up. Exhale, reaching to the side, and slowly release the hands down and relax. And from here, you can gently roll the head sideways, releasing any tension in the neck or shoulders. Okay, let's come back to center. So we're going to stretch your upper back. So let's go into the hip roll. So hands beside your hips, can adjust your feet slightly. All right, so we're in neutral position. Inhale. As we exhale, just slowly round your low back. So we're going to imprint. And as we exhale, peel the spine off one vertebrae at a time and coming all the way up to your shoulder blades. Okay, so don't arch your back. Okay, inhale. As we exhale, slowly release down, releasing the spine one vertebrae at a time, releasing the lower back, and relax the buttocks and relax the hip flexor. One more time, inhale. As we exhale, gently round the lower back, gently kissing the mat, and slowly peel the spine off the mat one vertebrae at a time. Okay, you can imagine a string of pearl. Now from here, coming to a straight line. Inhale. As we exhale, slowly release down. 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly release the lower back and release the buttock and relax the hip flexor. So we're mobilizing our spine and also giving a gentle stretch to the back. And from here, let's go into the scissors arms. Okay, so you can walk your feet accordingly so that you feel comfortable. Spine back to neutral and fingertips. So you're not reaching the, you're not rolling the shoulders up like this. Okay, so relax the shoulder blades. Inhale and we go scissors arms. Exhale, exhale. Inhale, center, opposite. 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 Exhale, exhale. Back to center. Okay, and last exercise for today. So inhale here. As we exhale, reach the palms away, apart, apart. So notice we are stabilizing our shoulder blades and we're not dropping the hands down like this. Okay, so slowly bring it back up and lengthening your arm without squeezing. Inhale. As we exhale, moving apart, apart. So there's some level of control here and we're strengthening the shoulder blades here. And inhale, coming back, and last one here, and exhale, apart, 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 floating here and breathing, 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 and inhale, coming back up, and exhale, relax the arms. And from here, okay, you're just going to roll the head sideways one more time. It's so important. Okay, while we strengthen, we want to release tension and come back to center. Okay, let's do elevation of the shoulders and depression. So from here, you're going to bring the shoulders up. Inhale. As we exhale, away, away, away. One more time. And up. And exhale, away, away, away. And last one, inhale. And exhale. Release all the tension. Let's bring the knees towards our chest. Gently hug our legs like this. Roll the head sideways. Releasing all tension. Coming back to center and slowly rock the pelvis clockwise and anti-clockwise and clockwise and anti-clockwise. And slowly, we're going to roll to the side and then we come up to a sitting position. Now, to prevent the chronic neck pain from coming back, I highly encourage you to practice mindful breathing. So this will really help us to release tension and of course some gentle stretching. Now, if you're interested to find out how to strengthen mindfully, release gently, okay, bringing mind and body back to balance, which is our ultimate goal in life, you can join me in the 14-day Beyond Abs Challenge. This will help you to kickstart a practice to help you to improve your posture, prevent chronic pain, and definitely improve your spinal health. So you can click on the link below to join me. And for those of you interested to have a bit more practice today, do join me in this video here. Have a great day and I'll see you the next time.